In this video, I will be create this to-do list website using ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, write this prompt. Write code to make a to-do list website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now ChatGPT is generating HTML code. Now ChatGPT is generating CSS code. And now ChatGPT is generating JavaScript code. ChatGPT is generated HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. Let's copy this HTML code and paste it here in index.html file and save it. And copy this CSS code and paste it here style.css file and save it. And then copy this JavaScript code, paste it here script.js file and save it. And then open this index.html file in web browser. Now our to-do list website is look like. We can write task. It will be saved in list. When I click the task, it color change and cross it. And we can delete any task from the list. I didn't write any code. ChatGPT is create this website less than 2 minutes.